Hi from Franco and all for hunters. This is the new Gecko 35 Pro LRF from Nitehog. It is a laser range finding thermal imaging monocular which is built with the hunter in mind. The laser range finding module allows to measure the distance from the game with distances up to 800 meters, and it's built essentially to allow the measurement of the game once it has been positively identified with the thermal imaging capabilities of the device. The sensor used is a very high resolution 640 by 512 pixel microbolometer with a sensibility of 35 millikelvin NETD, and the refresh rate is of course about 50 Hertz. The batteries power the device for up to 6 hours, and the micro display is a high quality OLED with high definition. It's a 1024 pixel horizontal resolution display. The device has a integrated audio video recorder and can record on the included memory inside the device. The germanium objective is has a native magnification of 1 per, but with digital zoom can go all the way up to 4 per magnification. And the magnification of the optics together with the high resolution and sensitivity of the sensor allows detection of a 1.7 meter tall target all the way up to 1,818 meters, while the actual positive identification distance is of course dependent on the magnification, and I would rather think that be in the region of the 400-500 meters. In any case, this is a very interesting product that we are going to test in depth in an upcoming video. Please stay tuned to allforhunters.com and please post all your comments below.